Pink bones, the actual speed of a sneeze, and regenerating organs? What? Today, we are breaking down some of the most mind-blowing facts about the body. All right, let's dive right in. Bones aren't white. Often depicted as stark white structures, our bones in reality tell a different story. Alive with blood vessels, they exhibit a pinkish hue, a sign of their active role in our body's ecosystem. Beyond their structural support, bones are dynamic, changing in color and density in response to life's demands. Medications like tetracycline can leave lasting marks, embedding themselves into the bone matrix and actually altering its color. The immune response like no other. Julius Wagner Jurek had a groundbreaking approach to treating syphilis with malaria, which introduced the concept of pyrotherapy, using one disease to combat another. By deliberately inducing malaria, patients experienced high fevers, a natural bodily response that proved lethal to the syphilis bacteria. This method, which seems counterintuitive by modern standards, was a precursor to immunotherapy. The stomach lining's rapid renewal. The interior of our stomach is a battleground where acids strong enough to dissolve metals attack our food. Yet, remarkably, the stomach itself remains unharmed, thanks to its lining that regenerates insanely quick every 3 to 4 days. This process is a masterpiece of cellular choreography, where cells are constantly born, differentiated, and then sacrificed, ensuring that the lining remains intact and functional. The aerodynamics of sneezing, while often seen as a mere inconvenience, is a sophisticated defense mechanism, ejecting unwelcome particles from the respiratory tract at speeds rivaling a car on the highway. This reflex action, capable of launching up to 100,000 germs into the air, underscores the body's innate ability to protect itself from environmental threats. Bone marrow changes color with age. From the vibrant red marrow of our youth, bustling with production of blood cells, to the serene yellow of our later years filled with fat, the evolution of bone marrow encapsulates the journey of life itself. This transformation is not merely cosmetic, but reflects the shifts in biological priorities, from the vigorous growth and healing of youth to energy conservation and maintenance of adulthood. Your eyelashes' creepy roommate. Demodex folliculorum, the microscopic mites residing in our eyelashes' follicles, may seem like unwelcome guests, but they play a crucial role in the health of our skin. By feeding on the dead skin cells and oils, they contribute to the cleanliness and maintenance of our eyelids. This symbiotic relationship highlights the complex ecosystem of our body's surface, where countless microorganisms coexist with us, often to our benefit. Liver's remarkable regenerative power. The liver's unparalleled ability to regenerate is nothing short of miraculous. Capable of rebuilding itself to full size from as little as 25% of its original mass, the liver exemplifies the body's resilience. This regenerative capacity is crucial for recovery from injury or surgery, and it provides a powerful model for understanding cellular regeneration. Just definitely check out our product from Life Happens, Poor Decisions. We have ingredients that actually help protect the liver and the body and hydrate it. The gut's complex nervous system. Dubbed the second brain, the gut's nervous system is crazy complex, with hundreds of millions of neurons lining our digestive tract. This extensive network not only governs digestion, but also communicates with the brain, influencing mood and overall health. The gut's role in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin reveals the intricate links between diet, digestion, and emotional well-being. Blue blood and what it reveals about your health. Among the most captivating phenomena in medicine is the occurrence of blue blood in humans, a condition called methemoglobinemia, which can arise from extreme copper poisoning. This condition transforms the color of blood to blue, a vivid illustration of how elements we encounter can profoundly affect our biology. The cornea oxygen supply mystery. The human cornea presents an awesome biological adaptation. Unlike most tissues, which receive oxygen through blood flow, the cornea obtains oxygen directly from the air. This unique feature is essential for maintaining its transparency and, by extension, our vision. This direct oxygenation process highlights the specialized nature of bodily tissues and their adaptations to fulfill specific functions. Taste bud receptors beyond the tongue. We all assume or know that our tongue does all our tasting for us, but recent discoveries reveal taste receptors located in the stomach, intestines, pancreas, lungs, brain, and even testicles. This widespread distribution of taste receptors suggests a complex system of chemical sensing that goes far beyond simple food enjoyment, playing a crucial role in digestive processes, metabolic regulation, and even respiratory function. Extra rib possibility. Variability in human anatomy happens, but have you heard of the phenomenon of the cervical rib? An extra rib that occurs in 1 in 500 people. This additional rib located above the first rib near the neck can sometimes lead to medical conditions due to its proximity to vital structures. What the heck is a hiccup? A common yet often misunderstood bodily function results from involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, followed by the rapid closure of the vocal cords. This sequence produces the characteristic hic sound. Usually benign, the hiccup reflex sheds light on how complex our nervous system is and the intricate control it has over the simplest of bodily functions. Fingernails and hair grow at different speeds. Did you know that the rates at which our fingernails and hair grow faster on the dominant hand and during warmer months, illustrating the subtle influences of environmental and physiological factors on the body? This differential growth rate is thought to be linked to increased circulation and metabolic activity, highlighting the body's responsiveness to external conditions and internal dynamics. Sleep paralysis hallucinations, a phenomenon where individuals awaken mentally but remain physically immobilized during a REM sleep, can lead to vivid hallucinations. These experiences have been linked to cultural legends of supernatural encounters, illustrating the profound impact of sleep phenomena on folklore and human psyche. The study of sleep paralysis bridges neurological, psychological, and cultural studies, offering a window into the complex interplay between the brain, body, and culture. Earwax variation. The type of earwax one has, whether wet or dry, is determined genetically, with the dry type more prevalent among East Asians. This variation in earwax not only reflects the diversity of human genetics, but also has implications for ear health and the study of human migration and adaptation patterns. Gross question, but do you guys have wet or dry earwax? Let me know in the comments. Humans glow. Although not seen to the naked eye, the human body emits a small amount of light, a bioluminescence, a byproduct of metabolic reactions. This subtle glow, detectable with sensitive instruments, is a reminder of the chemical reactions continuously occurring within us. Tongue print uniqueness. Just as fingerprints are unique to each individual, so too are tongue prints with distinct patterns and characteristics, showing us just how complex the human body is and even the human identification process is. Baby's strong grip. The strong grip reflex of newborns, an evolutionary trait possibly allowing early human babies to cling to their mothers, showcases the innate survival mechanisms encoded within us. This reflex, present from birth, illustrates how inherently strong and instinctual human beings are from the minute they are born. So hopefully this video gives you a greater appreciation for the human body and how unique each one of us are. If you found this video helpful, you learned something, or you want to see more, do me a favor and subscribe, turn your bell notifications on, and hit that like button for me. Thanks so much for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.